Handstand, tuck, back to wall, chin to chest, balance. If you're having trouble opening the shoulders while performing handstands, the chin to chest tuck handstand balance drill is going to be helpful. Tucking the chin to the chest will force you to open your shoulders, fix your alignment, and help you build a higher level of overhead pressing strength. You will need a wall or a solid upright surface to perform the tuck handstand back to wall chin to chest balance drill. The further away you place your hands from the wall, the harder the exercise will be. At a minimum, you want to place the hands 1.5 hand widths away from the wall. This should give you enough room to perform the tuck and find balance. Kick up to straight handstand with your back to the wall. Tuck your chin to your chest and look up at the sky. Elevate the shoulders by pushing down into the floor nice and hard. The shoulders must stay elevated and the elbows are locked while performing this exercise. Pull your ribcage down and set a strong posterior pelvic tilt, PPT, by tucking your tailbone between your legs and contracting the glutes. Your back should be nice and flat. Keeping the shoulders elevated, slowly flex the hips and knees to move into a tuck position. As the feet slide down the wall and the knees move towards the chest, the feet should float off the wall. Do not use your feet to push off the wall. If you move into a deep tuck shape and the feet are still touching the wall, you will need to push your fingers into the floor and perform a toe pull to find balance. Notice that the hips move into a slight anterior pelvic tilt, APT, as you move into the tuck shape. The hips will move slightly back behind the alignment of the wrists, elbows, and shoulders. This is okay. Once you have balance, you will need to be mindful of the weight under the hands. You want to feel the weight balanced in the middle of the hand and not all on the palm or all on the fingers. Hold the chin to chest tuck handstand balance for the prescribed time. I like to see clients perform the tuck handstands for holds of somewhere between 15 to 60 seconds.